Hello traders, in this video I'm taking a look at Dracula EA, which is an expert advisor specifically built for MT5, and in this review I'll walk through the MQL5 Marketplace page, go over the main features and settings, and then we'll also look at the historical backtesting behavior to better understand how the system operates based on the information provided by the developer. And before we jump in, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, right away on the marketplace page, we can see this is Dracula MT5 developed by Anatoly Lukanin. The current version listed here is version 1.4, and according to the page, it was updated in October 2023. The EA is priced at 150 US dollars, and there is also a 1 month rental option available for 50 US dollars. As I continue scrolling through the description, the developer clearly mentions that this is a fully automated EA and specifically states that it does not use martingale grid systems, averaging positions, or loss weighting strategies. That's something a lot of traders pay attention to because those types of recovery systems can sometimes increase account exposure quite aggressively during difficult market conditions. The overall trading logic described here is actually fairly transparent. When the market is flat and they use limit orders setting is enabled, the EA places two pending limit orders. Otherwise, it can also trade directly at market depending on the selected configuration. Once a trade is triggered, positions are managed using take profit handling, trailing profit logic, and virtual stop loss protection. One interesting detail here is that the EA uses both a virtual stop loss and a real broker side stop loss. So, according to the developer, the virtual stop is designed to avoid unnecessary stop outs caused by spread fluctuations, while the real stop exists as a backup protection mechanism in situations like connection loss or broker side issues. The recommended currency pairs listed on the page include Euro CHF, USD CHF, Euro GBP, GBP USD, and Euro USD, while the recommended time frame is H4. Now, there are also several additional pairs suggested for testing. You can see them here. And the developer mentions that optimization may be needed depending on broker conditions. So as I move through the settings section, there are quite a few customization options available here. Traders can choose between fixed lot sizing or risk-based position sizing, configure static or dynamic lot increment behavior, adjust stop loss and take profit parameters, optimize trailing profit signals, control spread related filters, and even configure trading activity around Mondays and Fridays. So overall, there is definitely a strong focus on flexibility and optimization. Now transitioning into the historical backtesting section, the developer recommends using proper tick history before running tests, which is important because higher quality historical data generally gives a more accurate picture of EA behavior over time. Okay, looking through the completed historical testing performance and chart activity, the trade management appears relatively structured. But we are just going to be confirming that as we head over to the strategy tester. But before we move further, let me just go through the settings because the test has already been completed. All right. So this is the Dracula MT5. We already saw the recommended currency pairs and time frame on the MQL5 Marketplace page. So, we decided to use Euro CHF in this video, H4 time frame. The test was run from the 1st of January 2026 till date so that we can get a reasonable data for the backtesting. Delays, last ping to the server, all right? And then we are using the every tick modeling, of course. Okay, so if you look through the completed historical testing performance, if you look at the chart activity, you will see that the trade management appears relatively structured with defined exits and controlled position handling rather than aggressive exposure expansion. And one thing I observed here is that the EA seems to um, open multiple trades within the 4 hour duration, because each candle here represents 4 hour, but it's not the same across all the candles, right? For example, you can see here it was just one position opened and closed. Here it was either one or two, and here we can see several positions were opened, and you can see here as well quite a number of positions were opened and closed within the same 4 hour candle. And we can also see you know notable intervals between sets of trades. All right, you can also notice from the historical chart behavior that the EA seems designed around managing entries carefully during ranging or slower moving market conditions, especially considering the use of limit orders and trailing based profit management described earlier in the settings. Of course, these are historical backtest results, and one thing that we should always know is that historical backtest results do not guarantee future performance. Okay, so now let's just head over to the results themselves to see how the EA actually performed over the space of about 4.5 months, during the period of the testing. So we can see that from 100,000 initial deposits, the total net profit was 35,768.91, and 180 trades were taken, total trades. 104 were short trades with 85.58% win rate, 76 long trades with 90.79% win rate, and the largest profit was 2,189.88. Largest loss was 2,615.6, and the average profit 299.4. Average loss the average loss is 524.36. So one of the things I observed here is that the risk to reward ratio is quite bad, but the win rate is good. Okay, so combining the extent of the win rate, you can see the short trades win rate is 85.58%, and the long trade win rate 90.79%. So when you combine this high win rate with the risk to reward ratio that is not good, I guess the win rate was one of the main factors that resulted in this total net profit of over 35% of the initial balance. Okay, but of course, these are historical backtest results. All right, and live performance can vary depending on broker execution, spreads, slippage, lot sizing, optimization choices, and changing market conditions. So I'll definitely recommend running longer term testing yourself across different brokers and currency pairs before considering live deployment. Overall, the Dracula EA for MT5 presents itself as a highly configurable automated trading system with detailed risk and trade management controls, particularly for traders who prefer systems without martingale or grid based recovery methods. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.